Perhaps you know English and speak English, but still lack confidence when speaking. Why this might happen might be that you're still translating in your head what you need to say, trying to be perfect in asking questions, and well, this course is not that. It's not to be perfect. That's a mistake. It's not a grammar course either. It's a course designed to get you speaking in the language, expressing how you feel, asking questions, and just responding. Okay, so it's really to build up your confidence, which is what we need. Mistakes happen. Natives make mistakes too, and that's okay. So we're not looking for perfection, but just communication. Instead of focusing on perfect grammar, you'll learn how to speak naturally in real-life conversations. You'll use simple, everyday English that native speakers actually use. You'll learn how to start conversations, ask questions, respond naturally, and keep conversations going. You'll also improve your fluency, your flow, and your confidence when speaking. Each module includes a downloadable workbook with key points and speaking practice. And you'll also practice with interactive role plays so you can use English in real situations. By the end of the course, you won't just know more English, you'll be able to use it confidently in real conversations. If you're ready to stop overthinking and start speaking, join the course and let's begin.